Alright, so I'm on my way now, but I can see it's a bit crowdy and lights on, so it just started off. I can see I'm almost there actually. Yeah, all these people here are actually going to the night market right now, so it's going to be crowded. See over there? That's the start of the market. This is so crowded and I love it. There is so much goodness here, I have no idea where to start. You won't believe what I just did. I'm getting myself into the bucket. It's not a challenge or anything, but I'm doing a seafood bucket. My neighbors. Alright, this is going to be a very, very interesting dinner. I look forward to it. This is all mine. Ooh, I don't know what to eat. Oh, dip it into this sauce. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Look at this. Look at the size of this. That's ridiculous. Ridiculously good. Oh yeah. Yeah. There's corn goodness as well. Oh. Oh yeah, that's good. Oh, that's good. Done. Just finished the dinner. Wow. It was unbelievable. It was so good. What's next? I want more. Maybe this? Maybe another time. Sorry, can I get one mango smoothie, please? I got my mango smoothie. Chicken? 3. I got more food. Chicken. Can I have one of this? Yes, I'm very weak for the mango. It's my favorite fruit. Kapon kap. Mango. I love mango. Thank you. I couldn't resist. Mango sticky rice and coconut milk. After this, I'll be full. Yummy. Oh yeah. That's good. That was good.